Say goodbye to dirt, dust, and endless scrubbing, because the future of cleaning is here. Meet the Roomba Combo i5 Plus Self-Emptying, the robot that vacuums and mops at the same time. With powerful suction, smart mapping, and a base that empties itself, it gives you sparkling clean floors every day without lifting a finger. Clean smarter, live better. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Roomba Combo, i5 Robot Vacuum and Clean Base. Extra high-efficiency filter. Power cord, sweeping brush, dirt disposal bag, mopping pad. Want to grab the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? Proprietary Dirt Detect technology allows the Roomba Combo i5/i5 Plus Robot Vacuum to detect dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly when the vacuum bin is installed. Designed for wet floor mopping performance, the specialized microfiber pad tackles footprints and dust. The cleaning job is completed because Roomba Combo i5/i5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop sends itself to its base to recharge when the battery gets low, then resumes right where it left off. Cleans up after itself, emptying its vacuum bin into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, which means 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuuming. iRobot OS Maps learns and adjusts to your home to clean more efficiently with Imprint Smart Mapping technology. Simply attach the Roomba Combo bin to the i5 Plus, and it will automatically sense it's time to vacuum and mop your hard floors. With iRobot OS, you can choose to set your robot to start cleaning when you leave and stop when you come home, so you only notice the clean, but never the cleaning. Enjoy a clean home and your day. Roomba Combo i5/i5 Plus Robot learns how you like to clean and gives you personalized scheduling suggestions, even factoring in times when your home may need more frequent cleaning like pet shedding or allergy seasons. Child and Pet Lock allows you to disable your robot's clean button so it will stay docked or continue cleaning, even if the button is accidentally pressed. Enable or disable Child and Pet Lock in the iRobot Home app. Specifications. How to use. Start by unboxing your Roomba Combo i5 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop. Remove all protective packaging, including films from the sensors and the robot's body. Attach the reusable mopping pad securely to the pad holder. Install the side brush if it isn't pre-attached, and place the extra filter in a safe spot for later use. Place the self-emptying clean base on a flat, hard surface against a wall, leaving enough space on each side for the robot to dock smoothly. Connect the power cord and make sure the dock is plugged into an outlet. Start an initial mapping run so your Roomba Combo i5 can scan and learn your home's layout. Using Smart Mapping navigation, it quickly creates a detailed smart map that works in both bright and low light conditions. Once the map is saved in the iRobot Home app, you can personalize it by naming rooms, setting no-go zones, and choosing where to vacuum, mop, or both. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the iRobot Home. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba i5 self-emptying robot until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the app and log into your Roomba account, then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the Wi-Fi or Home button on your Roomba until you hear a tone or see the Wi-Fi light blink, indicating it is ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, finish the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start, stop, schedule cleanings, customize maps, and check maintenance alerts directly from your phone. Maintenance. Remove the dustbin from the Roomba Combo i5 Plus and empty it. Wash it with water, let it dry completely, then place the filter back inside and reinstall the bin into the robot. Check the robot's dual multi-surface rubber brushes and mop pad for any buildup and ensure they are free from blockages. Finally, use the cleaning tool to clean the main brushes and the side brush, removing any tangled hair or debris. To maintain your Roomba Combo i5 Plus clean base, start by removing the cover to access the dust bag compartment. Take out the used dust bag and replace it with a new one, making sure it clicks securely into place before closing the cover. Once that's done, gently wipe the front side of the clean base with a dry or slightly damp cloth to clear away any dust or debris. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Roomba Combo i5 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. See you in the next one.